So it's been a minute since we've been out here on the old S10 with an LS2 in it. This is kind of what started my YouTube channel, was just filming videos of this thing. But today, we're gonna work on a wiring harness. Wiring harness. That's what we're gonna work on today. When I ordered this, I ordered it with the assumption that I was gonna put the computer where the old battery went. I have the computer now. I don't even know where that's at. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I found it. I forgot I brought it inside so it wouldn't be exposed to elements. But this is our computer, and I have it inside the computer mount that's on a second gen S10 that would sit on top of the reservoir that's on top of the fender. So it's got some holes, so I can make a little mounting bracket that's going to be after this, so I can put it exactly where I want it. That's why I didn't go ahead and do it, because I didn't know how long these were going to be. But with that being said, that's going where the old battery went. These are going to plug in there. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I don't. So I guess I'm going to just start putting this where I want the computer to go, and just slowly uncoiling this thing out. Current performance, man, they labeled everything, y'all. Everything's labeled. I paid a little extra for the I don't know what this is called, loom, whatever. I didn't want that ribbed hard plastic crap that's all throughout this thing already. I wanted this to look somewhat nice. You know, I put a lot of work into the interior that no one's ever gonna see. This is also stuff that no one's ever gonna see. And then the exterior looks like straight garbage, y'all. Okay, so computer's gonna go here where the battery used to go. Good to go. Let me set this out the way. So I started by just setting this in that hole, kind of just looking at, really, I don't know how I want to run it. It's going to end up going over my AC compressor, because I don't know if I got enough room to run it anywhere else. And yeah, I still have all the old wires. I just shoved them up here, get them up out of the way. I haven't disconnected them, none of that. Maybe I should have rehearsed this before I started filming myself. Oh, it's getting hung up on everything. Didn't think that through. Okay. Just slow down a little bit. Oh, hung up on everything. Again. Again. What is this? Oh, that goes my fans. Look at there. Okay. Let's start getting some things off there. What are these? Battery, crank position, knock sensor, starter solenoid. They're going down there. AC compressor. Okay. So that's this side. What is this? Oh, good Lord. Fans. I'll run that over here with that. These all need to go right there. This plugs into my ABS. Plugs into my wiper motor. Alright. So it's gonna go like that. I don't know where this is. Where's this go to? Oh no. That's gonna click into my washer pump. Right there. And that goes there. All right. I think I need to figure out what this is first. 3 prongs. 3 prongs. Okay. This is my ABS. All right. Perfect. Try to get that out of the way somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Whatever. And those gonna go up here. First, I'll be back. I gotta take this washer fluid reservoir off. I'm trying to get you to where you can see here. So this is the back side of the fuse box. And this goes on there. Now these 2 things here just go over the right side. They just slide on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, get it out the way, and then keep laying this thing out, see if I need to remove anything else just to make this easier. Man, I can't wait to hear this thing run. Sure hope this is a 10 millimeter so I don't feel like a dummy. Oh yeah, let's make sure it goes the right way, Todd. Well, how long is this screw? Jesus Christ. It just holds like a little bit of water. Is that necessary? Look at that. Look at this. Just hold a little bit of water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If y'all want to know something, if you're about to do a task that requires you repetitive motions, don't work out right before that. Phew! Right now, this is the strongest bolt in the world. Screw, whatever. All right, set that out the way. Oh, all right, just 2, thank God. Got it in there. It's tightened up. It's got a single screw that's in there, which I doubt you'll be able to see no matter how I hold this camera, but it's on there. That right there is the reason I waited so long for this wiring harness, is because it goes directly in. I'm so happy about this right now. Wish I could get a better way for you to see it. Oh, maybe I just shine the flashlight on it. Now you can probably see that screw I was talking about. Right in the middle there. Yeah. Man, that's nice. Thank you, Current Performance. It was worth the wait. If everything else lines out right, definitely worth the wait. Get this hat back on. Alright. There is a few things I think I can do while I have that little reservoir out. This goes to my wiper motor. I don't know where that wire went. I'm not worried about that. What I'm worried about is ABS going to ABS. Alright. Bam. They gave me a lot of extra wires. Okay, whatever. This goes to the little washer pump. Those are gonna stay up there. Oh man. You ever do something that seemed so simple and felt so overwhelmed? Welcome. Get in there. Do what I say. Got it started. Look at that. Fuse box hooked up, washer fluid, ABS. Now, what is this eyes? What? Where does it go? What am I gonna do with this? Jesus Christ. All right, I'm back. I had to take a break. I couldn't hear myself think the rain was coming down so hard out here, so we're back at it. So far I have the ABS hooked up, I have the wiring hooked up to the back of the fuse box, my windshield washer fluid is running, or is hooked up, not running, it's hooked up. I believe the next thing I'm going to try to do is just get an idea of some better layout, and then come up with a game plan. I believe I'm going to just undo all of my body mounts, lift the whole cab up, just like stick a 4x4 underneath there, just get it up higher about 4 inches. That'll help expose the wiring that I'm gonna have to hatchet job, I guess, to get it out, because there's no way I'll be able to fish all that through the cab. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Alright. This is my wiper motor. I don't know where that stupid cable's at. But I know it goes over there somewhere. These are going to go to my fans. So that's going to go out. That's going to stay there. OBD2 port. I think I need to just pull you out this way with that. Alright, these I think I'm gonna have to just tuck down to the back of the motor. So we'll stick them out up there. Move this whole thing back. What's going on? Why don't it want to move back? Oh, fucking mess. Alright. Where? Okay, so this is this size. Get these a little bit better out of the way. Oil pressure, map. This is going to be a cylinder head ground that I got to connect to here. And all that good glory. So these three will go together once I find a bolt back there. It'll probably be easier to do once I lift the cab up. Alright. 1 injector, 2 injector, 3. 4 right there. Okay, and then this goes here. Let me do one of these that I can actually see first. They don't look the same. They give me the wrong injector plugs. Or these aftermarket injectors. Dang it! First issue right there. I don't know what to do about that. Injectors are freaking expensive. Whatever. Don't get mad about it. It's the next night. Wintertime sucks. It gets dark pretty soon. It's not even that late. It is dry tonight, and I would like to work on this thing, but I think I'm going to work on it tomorrow. I ordered some adapters for my fuel injectors. Supposedly they'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to go... I took pictures of the connectors for the oxygen sensor, the O2 sensors in the exhaust. Actually, I might go get those here in a second, after this video's done. And then I'm going to try to get exhaust, transmission, all that's done. And that's as far as I'm going to go right now. Tomorrow, I'm going to take the old computer out. Hopefully without having to take the dash out. So I can see what I can unplug. Because I got to get rid of this. I can't see what's even going on in here with this. That's the plan. And I gotta try to find the bolts for my sensors for the throttle body here. So that I can plug these in. Yeah, can't you see how excited I am?